Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownie ganache. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 170 grams of high-quality dark chocolate, finely chopped for quick melting. Also, measure out 120 milliliters of rich, heavy cream, ensuring it has at least 35% fat content. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and a tiny pinch of sea salt ready. These precise components are key to a truly decadent ganache. Next, we'll prepare the heavy cream. Gently heat the 120 milliliters of cream in a small saucepan over medium-low heat. Watch it carefully. You want it to reach a bare simmer, where tiny bubbles just begin to form around the edges of the pan. It's crucial not to let it boil vigorously, as this can scorch the cream and negatively impact the ganache's flavor and texture. Patience here ensures perfection. Now for the magic. Once your cream is perfectly heated, pour it directly over the 170 grams of finely chopped dark chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Resist the urge to stir immediately. Instead, let the mixture sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes. This allows the hot cream to gently melt the chocolate. After 5 minutes, begin stirring slowly from the center outwards until you achieve a beautifully smooth, glossy, and uniform ganache. This creates that luxurious texture. To finish, stir in your 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and the pinch of sea salt. The butter adds a lovely sheen and extra richness, while the salt enhances the chocolate flavor. Now, allow your exquisite ganache to cool slightly for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps it thicken to the perfect consistency. Finally, pour or spread this warm, luscious ganache over your cooled brownies for an absolutely irresistible, decadent treat. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.